In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Salesforce certification voucher, and you'll be amazed at how straightforward it can be. If you're looking to get certified and want to save on costs, these tips will be invaluable. Let's dive in and explore the different avenues through which you can score a voucher for your Salesforce certification exam. First, let's talk about Salesforce certification days. These are free webinars hosted by Salesforce itself. They are a fantastic resource if you're looking to deepen your knowledge and skills in Salesforce. During these webinars, Salesforce experts present helpful content on various topics that can improve your understanding and capabilities. As an added bonus, attending these events often comes with the opportunity to get a voucher or a significant discount on a certification exam as a reward for participation. So keep an eye out for these sessions on Salesforce's website or announcements through their communication channels. They could be the perfect way to get some formal certification while also learning directly from Salesforce's top minds. Now, on to Trailhead Quests. If you're not familiar, Trailhead is Salesforce's online learning platform featuring a plethora of modules and projects designed to boost your Salesforce skills. Within Trailhead, there are something known as quests. These are learning challenges that can not only bolster your knowledge, but also offer incentives like coupons or even entry into giveaways for vouchers. The great thing is, you get to learn by engaging with practical exercises, and at the same time, you might just get rewarded with a substantial discount on your certification. It's a win-win situation. Make sure to regularly check Trailhead for new quests that might come with these exciting opportunities. Don't overlook Salesforce events either. Large-scale events like Dreamforce or Trailhead EX are not only fantastic for networking and learning, but they also often include opportunities to win vouchers. Similarly, local Salesforce events and user group meetings can provide similar opportunities through quizzes, contests, or raffles. These events are not only beneficial for the chance to earn a voucher, but also because they provide a rich community atmosphere where you can meet others in the Salesforce ecosystem, share insights, and learn from each other. Being active in these communities can significantly enrich your learning journey. Remember, while these strategies are your ticket to a cost-effective certification path, the knowledge and skills you gain along the way are invaluable on their own. So go ahead and take advantage of these resources to not only save money on your certification exams, but also to advance your skills and career in Salesforce. Good luck on your path to getting certified, and I hope these tips help you reach your goals. Stay tuned for more informative videos, where we continue to explore ways to enhance your professional journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.